Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can create the sub collections in Shopify without any coding and using the easiest method. So for this video, I will use men's clothing as the main collection and men's pant, men's belt and men t-shirts as the sub collection. So I will create the scenario using the theme customization, and the process is really simple. You can replicate it, add your own, and you can use any theme you want. So what you have to do, you have to click on sales channel, and then you have to click on online store, open theme customization. So I am in the theme customization right now. I will click on this drop down, and then I will click on collections. Okay, so after that I will click on create template. So let me create a template for the collection. So it will be sub, its name would be, so it doesn't matter which name you add, it will not be shown to the customers uh, at the front of your website. So it will not be a part of the overall design sub collection men. Okay, so we will create the template, and once the template is created, it will take us to that newly created template, and this is written as homepage. So it doesn't matter, we will modify it. And after you are in the template, you just have to click on add section, and then you have to click on collection list. Okay, once you create the collection list, and then you have to list all the sub collections there. So the columns would be like two. Okay, mobile layout, the columns would be two, and on desktop the columns would be three. Okay, the collection is has been created. Now we will add the collections one by one. For example, the first collection that I will list is the men's belt. Okay, and then the second collection would be, I'm talking about the sub collection in the category men's clothing, men's pant and men's t-shirt. So you can change the layout. Like show one column in a row. You can show two columns in a row. That's up to you. So men's t-shirts. Okay. You can also change the position. Like if I want to show t-shirts first, you can do it like this. So once this whole thing is created, so we will just delete this heading because it doesn't look professional. Or let's delete this one, and then I will just move this section upper to the, so I want to show the sub collection list above, and then all the products of that main collection below it. So that's how it is created, and we will just save it. That's it, you have created the template for the sub collection. Now you just have to go to the collection and assign the template there. So I click on products, and I click on collections. So once you click on collection, you just have to go to men's clothing, and then you just have to assign the template. That's it. So I think this is the easiest method that you will be able to use on any theme you want, and the method is straightforward. You just have to click on save, and let's see if the sub collection is applied successfully, because we have just assigned the template. Let's click on view, and let's see how it looks like. Let's see if the sub collection page is created successfully. So this is the collection sub collection page. As you can see, men's clothing, you see all the sub collections here and all the products of that collection there. So for example, if you see the collections of men clothing, like if you click on shop, and it will show all the collections. If I click on men's clothing there, you will see the sub collection page, so it will not take you to all the products. So the best thing that you can do is, after creating the sub collections, make sure to hide the sub collections in the menu page, in the all collections page. So you should hide men's t-shirt, or you can say men's pant or men's belt, in the collections main collections page, so that the user should not feel confused. So you just have to show the main collections. Okay, so this is I hope the things are clear, and if you just click on men's clothing, you have the sub collection page. That's it, that's the easiest form. You just have to create the separate collection template, and then assign it to the collection, and you can customize it in any way. You can add the banners in that sub collection page or anything you want, and it will be created as mentioned. Thank you very much, and I hope the things are clear.